All right, everybody, here we have the mighty R-1 locomotive. And it's not bad looking, man. It's kit bashed. We made it side frame. Try to make it look real. And the only thing missing right now is lights. And she runs. There's something a little jumpity jaggedy about the way she runs. Like I'm wondering if one of the motors is temporarily losing power. And I have to figure that out. It might be from the leads that come off the bottom. But she does work. Now, can she go all the way around? I don't know. She starts off at like 45, 50 miles an hour. There's no slow speed there. Gosh, I hope I didn't leave anything on the track. It would be nice to have the light on her. That's about a third of the current draw. Can't go too fast because, oh, no, I think she fell over. Let's go see. See, somehow, despite the weights being on there, she doesn't do well on the turns. I've got her on the inside track. Yep, look at that. See, she fell over. And it's because somehow she's top heavy. All right, well, you know what? I think we're going to leave her up here in the mountain. Nah, not a good idea. I'll forget. All right, she needs some work. But it is kind of an interesting thing, and it gives you some insight as to how difficult it can be to, there's the power on this whole power pack. See the setting there? It's about, I don't know, 40% power. And I've got to be careful when I put these on because, see how this flipped around? That's a short waiting to happen. Right, so there we go. Let's see if she survived. It's interesting because I have a lot of weight on here, and I tried to put it as low in the chassis as I could. But you know what? It's interesting. Oop, it's shorted. Let's see. Oh, this side's flipped. No, that's right, right? No. Yeah, this side is flipped. Like these things can flip around, and if the front trucks flip around, it's going to short. So yeah, she's all right. She's a little slipping. It's a little weird. Oh, she wasn't on the track. Well, she's got some bugs in it. I'm going to give this project a little bit of a rest. Because I noticed that somehow the mind subconsciously works on things. And you come up with new ideas and how to fix it. I mean, I think it's definitely getting better. Again, it needs the light. But there's something about consistent power to the motor that needs to be fixed, and somehow the weight needs to be redistributed somehow lower. I might even think about adding weight to unusual places on it that I wouldn't ordinarily because of that tipping over factor. You know, it's kind of weird. I don't feel safe running it around the layout because I need to put some guide rails, because if I forget and put this on the other line, that tip over would have meant off into oblivion, off the cliff. You know, not a good thing. So it's a fun project. It's also given me a lot of how can I say, respect for the model makers, man. They do some incredible stuff. And what you start to expect out of your locomotive. So I guess I'll leave her here on the bridge. That's a good looking spot. Leave her on the bridge. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I hope you were enjoying this adventure. And let's put it back a little. At least we could see her here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and subscribe. And not easy, but the fun is in the challenge. You know, if I ever get this to run really well, it'll feel great. But I don't think she looks too bad. That little bright line there, gotta color that in. So, hey, give me your comments if you got suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.